everybody. Today I'm working on merging branches of server providers and solving conflicts. And that's it for today. Bye.
Hey guys, so yesterday Alec and I spoke at the blockchain event at Google Campus, which was really fun and very interesting. And today I worked on a new feature for the DAV Alliance page and made some optimization on some of our marketing channels. This is it, guys. Thanks.
Hey DailyDAV, what's up? So yesterday evening we went to the blockchain meetup at Google Campus. Lior and Alex spoke there. It was great. The whole team came. Today I did 2 DailyDAVs. Started the day with 2 DailyDAVs, and then I went over the materials from yesterday's meetup. And for the rest of the day I'm gonna work some more on the scammers video. Really hoping to release that soon. I know you've been hearing a lot about that, so stay tuned. See you next time.
Hey DailyDAV, I'm just here with the team. Woo! So basically what I did today, I signed us up for 2 big transportation events here in Israel that will take place in May and June. One of them also Noam will speak at, which is super exciting. Other than that, I'm just reorganizing my email inbox. I have a lot of emails to go through, and that's about it. Have a great day. Bye.
Hey everybody. Yesterday started off the morning with a management call and then worked with one of our marketing agency partners in the Asian market to make sure that they have everything they need and we could start to do some great work in new geographic regions, and also looked for a new potential partner as well on that front. Today the main focus has been working with the Alliance page for some new features and updates happening there, and then also working on it, getting a new partner as it pertains to email marketing and general marketing and a general marketing platform. Thanks everybody. Have a good day.
Hey Davers! Yesterday I mostly managed to solve the problems with the Gantt chart with Jira, and today I'm mostly going to just add tasks and organize the work for the next few months. And also we've got Iran and Chai, which started just a few days ago. Hopefully you've seen them already on the DailyDAV, and I'm helping them get set up with their development machines and stuff like that. So see you tomorrow, guys.
Hi everyone. Yesterday I finished presentation for Singapore. Today I'll make new pop-up for our site section Alliance member. I'll make this pop-up for the stock and the tip for mobile version. Also I'll plan work for our illustration protocol. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.